Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in Lai Chi Kok right now. And to our central direction, Red House. So end at Mong Kok. Now it's kind of insane to actually 3 consecutive Chunwon direction trains, while there's not even one single central train. What the hell? But here's our central train, A123. Not so sure about this train. A D637. Let's get in there. This is a mid-stop, so not too many spots on the train. Now I know it's hard to see because of too many people on the train, can't really do too much stuff. Hopefully later when we get off, we have like more spots and we film better. Wan. Anyone's getting off? I need to get a spot on the side. Oh, thank you. Great. Perfect. Someone next to me just got off, so let's get her a spot. Please stand back from the train door. Next station, Metro-Cammell. Metro-Cammell. Two more stations. 下一站太子，乘客可以轉乘觀塘線往黃埔沿途各站。下一將會打開，下一站太子，乘客可以換乘觀塘線前往調景嶺沿途各站，左邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Prince Edward Interchange Station for the Kwun Tong line towards Metro-Cammell. Prince Edward doors will open on the left. Any spots on the outside? The answer is no. No spots. Will there be a spot? Yes, there is going to be a spot if I can take it quickly. Thank you. Got it. No, and a C train. Now next we'll be back onto the Kwun Tong line. We're going to do the ending section at Ho Man Tin. Due to the fact that I saw some Ho Man Tin trains today, so next station, Mong Kok, interchange station for the Kwun Tong line towards Whampoa. Doors will open on the left. 請小心月台空隙，請小心月台的空隙。Please mind the gap and getting off time. Wow, the gap is actually pretty huge. So here we are at Mong Kok. Let's wait for this train to leave. I will check the numbers. So. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. No more requests will be accepted, so please do not request anymore. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Please go subscribe and follow. And check the number, which is 148, okay? Click on these videos on top, and I'll see you guys later. Peace!